What's going on, guys? Today I have an exclusive product from Apple, and this isn't a computer, this isn't an iPad, this isn't an electronic either. This is the most exclusive product right now, and you can only get this at January if you order online, and pickup is not available online, and that's what it says. This is the polishing cloth by Apple. And I know what you're saying. It's a meme. $19 for a small cloth. But let me actually review it today, and you might actually start picking one up, because in my opinion, it's worth it if you have the XDR display, or if you have one of the new MacBooks that just came out with the Liquid XDR display. So let's get into it. So let's get into the unboxing. So the unboxing, it's pretty simple because it's just a small box. It's green, lightweight, basically how Apple's saying where they're saving paper and cardboard. Well, you're presented with this small tiny box, which probably just fits the cloth itself, and it's $19 as you can see over here. And with tax and everything over here, it was $20.24, which is kind of high for a small polishing cloth, or a cloth that mimics a microfiber cloth. But let's just open it up. So you're presented with a pull tab where you just pull it and open it up. So let's pull that out. And as soon as you open it up, you're presented with the polishing cloth itself. It is a thick type of cloth. After feeling it, it feels different from a microfiber cloth. It doesn't have those thick brittles on the top, and there's nothing else in there except a small paper and the polishing cloth itself. There was no Apple sticker, which I was pretty disappointed, because imagine getting like a cloth based Apple sticker, but for $19 they want to get the highest margins possible. So with the cloth itself, it's thick, it's tough, and it's not like super brittly, like how you explain it, where it's like a regular car microfiber cloth. And it comes with a paper where it says you can use 70% isotropic alcohol on it, but I don't recommend that on a MacBook screen or an Apple device. I usually just use water on the microfiber cloth and just wipe the screen down itself. But that's pretty much it for the unboxing. It's just the box, the Apple logo on the cloth, and the paper. So what you've all been waiting for, let's actually test this cloth on a couple of products and let's see the results. So with the MacBook, there are a couple of smudges on the screen. There's some over here, and we could put some more smudges. I usually keep the MacBook clean. But with the cloth, let's rub it on it just itself. And it seems like it's removing small smudges. The only problem is like those hard stains that just stay on the screen, like little bubbles and stuff. Those are harder to get rid of, but it's doing a fairly decent job of just getting rid of these smudges on the screen, which is very impressive compared to microfiber cloths that I've used in the past. They usually leave a little swirl mark, and these tougher stains are a bit harder to remove, but you got to put in some elbow grease and it'll automatically start going away. Or what you can do is use a little bit of water and then clean the screen up using the little water in the beginning and then using the cloth after. The only problem with this cloth is it's repellent against water, and when it's repellent against water, it gets tougher to move around the screen. So you're gonna have to put a little more elbow grease, and you can fold it up and do it. What I love about this cloth is you can actually see the stains that are happening on the screen, which is a lot better. So now you know that there isn't rocks or little stuff inside the fiber cloth, and it won't destroy your screen or cause big scratches. So that's a big plus about this microfiber cloth. Other than that, it cleans pretty well. It does its job. It does better than normal microfiber cloths I used before, and it does feel premium. But anyways, the clean looks very clean now. It's a bit hard to show on the camera, but it looks pretty good. Now let's test the iPhone. With the iPhone, I have a screen protector on it, but you can see that there is smudging on it and I need to get it clean. So let's use the microfiber cloth. Oh, it does such a great job of taking all the smudges out with like a couple of passes. Alright, after a couple of cleaning, let's see how it looks. It looks pristine. The cleaning is so well with this cloth. I know there's a lot of people that are memeing about this and that are trolling for people getting a $19 cloth, but it actually does a great job. I could even take it off the case and wipe the whole phone down as well. Overall, it does a great job. The phone looks very clean. The MacBook screen looks amazing. Honestly, I love this. It's easy to carry around. I know the price is high, but you're getting a premium product that actually does the job well. And to get harder stains off, just use a little bit of water or isotropic alcohol if you wish. Overall, this polishing cloth actually does a great job. It does what it's intended to do. It cleans the screen, and I don't see any streaking on the screen or like any smudges that aren't going away. And if there are, you just use a little bit of water on the cloth and you put it onto the screen and it just goes away. Like, I love this cloth. It's better than a normal microfiber cloth. That's what I'm saying. It's my opinion. But if you have the XDR display or the new laptops, I'd recommend getting this. And you know how it's sold out until January? Let me actually give you a tip. I got this from an actual Apple store. And how do you do that? Basically, you call up an Apple store that's near you and you ask for a manager in the Apple Store automated phone call system. And when you ask for a manager, you just call the store up and ask if they have the polishing cloth. And most likely they will. It just doesn't list it on the website for some reason. For some reason, they want to ship it only until January. When I called the Apple Store, 2 to 3 Apple stores near me had a bunch of these. But keep in mind, this is just now, and they just released this, so this can always change and it can always get sold out at your local store, and it may not even be at your Apple Store. But I'd recommend you try it if you want to get this earlier than January of next year, which is far away, but I actually recommend it. And I know it's like a meme to buy this and post TikToks or stuff like that, but it actually does its job and I recommend it. But thanks for watching, guys. There's not too much else to say other than it's a great cloth. It's a little pricey, but in my opinion, it's worth it. Anyway, thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.